Hey, it's your girl, Rasheria Good here. Join me and my bestie, Kaylee, as we explore Candleland. First of all, let's get into the aesthetics. The first video you saw, the place is so super cute and so chic. I love the pink color. I love the vibe. It's very clean in there when you walk in, and everything is already prepped as you saw and ready to go. The wall is full of all the possibilities of colors and textures of candles that you could possibly ask for, from matte to gloss to translucent. I loved every moment of it. I ended up going with a matte turquoise greenish blue candle holder, and their scent wall, all the scents you can possibly imagine, and they break it down to you. They have a scent menu where you can see if you want fruity or warm or fresh. It was so many options. Here is the candle top displays. Those cost an extra. And here we are getting ready to prep our candles and following instructions on how to get started while inserting the wicks. And voila, complete. Period, Pooh. Come on, vocals. That is the tag to name the candle. I'm gonna be real with y'all. It's months later. I don't remember what I named that candle. I did that already. I had to. If you listen closely in the video, you now hear the instructor going over how to pour the wax and the scents into the candles so you don't overdo it. Yeah.
Like sage and sandalwood.
Yeah.
Which one?
Are you guys gonna measure it?
Yes. Thank you.
We only do 2 cents, right?
You can if you want to. It doesn't. Some people, we don't really recommend because we can't really recommend. So
Okay.
it's really up to just you.
Well, okay.
It's funny how they don't really like mix super well together.
Right. Interesting.
So
911?
yeah.
Hey. I'm gonna guess we're gonna stir it up.
I think and here. I'm guessing what will happen is we'll measure this to measure the correct amount of wax. Stir in the fragrance.
Once you do get it started, look at the little corners to make sure.
I got grams over here.
Yeah, same.
What kind of grams I got going on over here?
You're gonna take that tiny picture and you're gonna place it on top of your scale. Then what's on top of it is gonna give you different numbers. You're gonna tap that little word tear on the bottom of the screen. Just tap it once and wait for it to.
Now that the scents and the wax is mixed together, I now pour. Oh shit, no. I think I'm pouring into the canister into the wax. Child, I don't know. Watch the video. No, my scale just turned off. Okay, yeah, I'm pouring the wax into the canister so I can pour into my candle. That was the group wax to pour into the canister. Look at the scale, it's dead.
I think you have to turn it.
No, it died.
Yeah. That's how it powers it.
So what happens if my battery dies?
Turn it back on. I can
You
put mine
just
to
turn
dying
the knob.
too. They have a
If you
drawer.
turn the knob enough, it generates power.
My battery died in the middle of the recording. So my battery died while
It did? Oh, so you did.
See? Oh, crazy.
At the end, we're gonna do celebratory cheers for fragrance. So I'm gonna start off with you guys.
Oh,
What do
yeah.
you guys do celebrate?
We don't have anything in particular, but now that you mention it, I would like to celebrate a decade plus year of friendship and sisterhood with my bestie, Kaylee. Thank her for treating me to this candle day, to this girls' day. So I truly appreciate her, and I'm celebrating her today and our friendship.
This is sweet. Are you gonna raise up this
is so
We're
cute.
all gonna do a big cheer. Ready? Drink it. 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
Solid dogs.
Now you're gonna spin forward. The smell that you're smelling is the exact scent that the candle's gonna smell like. So I hope you guys like it.
Pull it up, pull it up.
Share your spoons with each other. Smell what your spoon.
There's no sound here, so you don't have to hear all that clink, 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 clink. I don't smell like nothing.
Mine does. Maybe you just have to keep stirring.
Maybe. Clink, 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 clink. All that clinking. Clink, 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 clink. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I like it. Ooh, that's so homey. It's so you too.
I enjoy a homey scent.
Yeah, it's like so fresh and homey and comfortable. Have you ever had fun like this? So I'm gonna do a voiceover here at this part because Beyonce was playing in the background and I really don't want my video to get taken down for copyright. But I was saying how sweet it had gotten because of the scent. Again, Miss Carter was playing in the background. Don't want no copyright issues. Don't want no beef. None of that. With none of them people. So just imagine Cuff It playing in the background. Pull up, pull up. Nothing nasty. Here I am, still pulling it up, still showing it up, you know? Hello for me? I was at 11.1. Okay. That's what y'all scale said. Ooh, child. Now that we done overcame all the music playing in the background for all the potential harm, I'll take my video down. Here we are decorating the candles. We had a bunch of different decor and things that we can dress our candles with, like glitter that's biodegradable and some flowers that were dried flowers like roses, some other stuff, and lavender. That's all I remember.
I would like to also remind you that
Put it on here?
You don't have to. Because your candle's so cool.
Okay. Obviously, I didn't follow directions and I filled my candle up too much, but that's how it came out. I would have showed you everyone else's, but they had their information, like their phone numbers and names in there, and I don't want to do that, you know? But this was a fun experience. It was super cute. I would totally do it again. I love candle making. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.